Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I have a 2006 Ford F-150 LARIAT and I will show you which fuses and relays to check in case your fog lights are not working. This video will apply to Ford F-150s made from 2004 all the way up to 2008. All the fuses and relays you need are located in a fuse box, in the main fuse box, which is just next to the passenger right leg. Now to access it, okay, let me turn on the flash on my phone actually. Okay, to access it, you want to remove this cover first. Just pull it towards yourself. It's held by two clips. And now you will have a fuse box cover to remove as well. Now the easiest way to do it is just to use your flat screwdriver. Just pry it inside here and pull it straight up. That way it will just pop off. And on this cover you also have a nice detailed fuse diagram which can help you out. Now for the fog lights you will have one fuse to check and one relay to check. The fuse you need is fuse number 27. It's a 15 amp fuse located right here. And this is the fuse that sends power to the fog light relay, which is this relay up here. So these are two things you have to check if your fog lights are not working. Now you can test this relay the easiest way. Just switch it with any other of these ones of the same kind and see if that makes any difference. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.